Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent. Going all around in Tashkent. Yeah, it's Tashkent.
So we're in Tashkent. This is like a little bit of a pedestrian shopping area in here that we're going to explore. You can see a little bit this way as well, and it goes all the way down, and then it's all these apartments all the way down this way, and then you're over here, it's all city park. So you can see lots of people all the way through all of this, and then there's the city mall right over there, Tashkent City Mall. But we're gonna walk around a little bit and kind of see what we can see in this area. Tashkent, the Boulevard. These are some apartments, and they have some businesses in here too. And it's across from the Tashkent City Park, which is across from the Tashkent City Mall. So it's this kind of this big area, and this is one end of this desirable place that you probably want to go if you go to Tashkent. That's all I can really say about that. Okay. Let's just show you what it looks like. The Boulevard in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. As if you're there yourself. Oh, he good. I thought he was going to do in the video. So this is kind of cool right here. Actually, I turned the camera off, and I thought they were coming to the camera. But in here we have some lavish, some different venues like this, Evosh. Kantmer, so lots of places to sit as well. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and kind of check it all out, give you an idea of what Tashkent looks like. And we're gonna go into this area as well and kind of see. But yeah, there's like food all the way down this way and down this way, then also in that way. So we're gonna go down that way in a minute. And across the street is the mall, so we'll probably walk over there too. It's part of this video. Looks pretty cool. This is kind of cool. So Tashkent City Park, Metro Underground. I think that's the Metro Underground. There's a fountain right that way. And yeah, there's all these beautiful apartments. And actually I was just looking at booking.com for hotel rooms. And there's actually quite a few hotel rooms in here too. They're like private residences. So yeah, but they look like they have like really beautiful balconies. And I might actually look into staying in one of these, possibly tomorrow night. Didn't even know it was an option, but that would be pretty cool. So let's go up that way, and then we're gonna kind of meander through it a little bit, give you more of an idea what it looks like. Okay, so more burger shops, all kinds of stuff. Lots of park benches too. And little tea shops, kiosk, more places to sit outside. And I'm just gonna look across real quick. There's two hotels over there I was thinking about looking into, but I might just look into one over here for tomorrow night. But yeah, this is a nice area. So, and I'm also gonna go back behind me and go through Tashkent City Park. And I think this area is called the Boulevard. So there's a sign that says the Boulevard right there. And then you have green grass, sidewalk, and a lot of roads. So there's a couple hotels that I was gonna look at over there, but that looks pretty nasty to try to cross it over. So at least now I know. And then this whole area I think is called the Boulevard. So I'm going to go through the Boulevard, like right over by that fountain down there, and then we're gonna go directly into that park down that way. But yeah, pretty cool part of Tashkent though. Wow, amazing. Tashkent City Park is what I'm going to be going through, and all those ones that are like 108, I saw some others that are lower, like 72, and they look like they're worth it if they're all right in here. And then that one that's 35 and 39, they look pretty nice. I was looking for those, and those are like normal hotels. But if you have to cross all those highways, however you do it, it looks like not anywhere near as cool as it would be to be in here and pay a little bit more for like an apartment, somebody's apartment. Anyways, let's go through the fountain part, and then we're gonna go into the city park part. So that's the Shopping Avenue, Tashkent City Park, and so now we're going to be going directly towards this fountain right here, and we go all the way across so we can also get to the city park, and we're not going to go to the city mall, but we did do the last video, which was actually there. So if you go to my thumbnails, you can see inside the city mall a little bit. I always put the last 2 Tashkent videos of the city that I'm filming. The last 2 will be in the thumbnails at the end of the video. So if you do want to catch that, you can. It's a nice area. There's also security guards at all the entrances too, to kind of watch over the area, I guess. So it has security, and yeah, you can actually use booking.com and get one of these places to stay for the night as well, which I'll probably do tomorrow night. Okay. Lots of lively neighborhood. I wonder if it gets even more busier in the evening. It looks like there's more people that go down this particular street right here. Maybe we'll, but we're actually going to go down that way in the city mall, and then there's actually that direction as well. So this one looks more like the main one. And it looks like we got some places you can buy drinks and such like that as well. This is a nice, kind of a nice little walking street, especially in the evening. And combined with the city park, it's actually a good location. You can also get to the city mall as well. And you got some little kiosks like that, beta. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Nice restaurants everywhere as well. Yeah, I like it. Another little kiosk B suite. This is kind of meander through park benches. Let's see, there's another restaurant here too, rolling out the green carpet. Yeah, I'm gonna, should I film more? It's gonna get into the city park though. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna walk into the city park, which is directly up that way. But it looks like a nice little walking street to explore.